How to log in to your ChatGPT account. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of how to guide. If you also created your account of ChatGPT and in order to use it, you will firstly need to log into your account. So if you don't know how you can, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. And by the end of this video, you will be successfully logged in to your ChatGPT account. Now whether using the desktop or the mobile app, you'll need to open up the website of ChatGPT because there is no desktop app or the mobile app. So first of all, open up your web browsers and search for chat.openai.com. Once you do, it's going to take you to the login/sign up page. Now to log into your account, just click on the login button. Once you click on it, you can see this login form. Now to log into your account, either you can log in using your email address or your Google or Microsoft account. If you created your account using your Google or Microsoft, you can just click on these buttons and select your Google or Microsoft account and you'll be immediately logged in. But however, if you used your email address, you'll firstly need to type it in. So type in your email address and click on continue and then type in the password. If you have forgotten the password to your account, you can click on the forgot password link, and through this process you can recover and reset your password. Once you typed in both this information, you can click on continue. And if the details entered were correct, you will be successfully logged in to your ChatGPT account. So that was a quick and easy process. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell so you are notified. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video.